I'm about to replace the water inlet valve for the Kenmore series 600 CS series. I have to check a lot of YouTube video try to how to do this. Several of them have to show how to replace the water, the pump itself. But the most difficult part, which is I really find some time to find out, is how to remove the cover, front cover, to get it done. You see, now I have one removed, one side removed. The one video suggests that I have to buy a special tool to get it. So I try. Now this is what I have. I find out that the tool is really similar to a $2, which the one guy said that is a $100 tool. I find out that I have been using a $2, less than $2, a dinner knife, which nicely do the first job. So this video is after I succeed in doing the first part, which is the left part. You can see I unclick the first part of the cover. So now I'm going to do the second part, then I'm going to get another video. Again, the most difficult part to replace the water inlet is to uncover the panel, the front panel. To do that, you need a tool. However, we don't find too much information. Then I find out this is a nice replacement for a $2 knife. So I'm going to do the second part. After I do that, I'm going to video again.